Okay, today we're going to take a look at LiveU Solo's support for the new Facebook cross-posting, live cross-posting feature. So I'm going to start actually in the Facebook user interface here, and you can see I'm on a page. This is one of our many test pages, and I just want to show you where you would, because there's a setup step to even get started here, which is to link pages to yours for cross-posting. And you don't do that from the Solo portal. So now when I come to the settings for the page, I see cross-posting as one of the options here. And then this is where I would search on different pages and add those. Now, I don't need to be an admin of both pages. That would sort of defeat the point, right? I can just know the name of the other page. And then when I add them here, I give them permission to cross-post to me, and they get a notification that I did that, and then they can change their permissions on that side to say, okay, they're allowed to cross-post to us as well. So this is like a one-time setup. Once you have it set up, you can leave it. You can remove it if you're just doing a one-time promotion with that other brand, and then you don't want to have it exposed later, or you can just leave it there all the time if it's somebody you'll frequently cross-post with. In this case, I've set up just another test page that I've set up permissions to cross-post to. So then I'll send this back to the page, and now we'll come over here to the Solo portal. This is our in development portal, so I'm showing it to you from there. And I'm going to do a new Facebook stream, of course. So I'll make a new Facebook post. I will set it to the live state right away so that we don't have to go through those steps, but you could, of course, do it to preview. And now, since I've chosen that same page that you just saw me set up permissions for, the starting page, LiveU Inc., when I come here to post control, I now see some cross-posting options. And I can click here to get some help from Facebook on what all the different options mean. There's two, and they're pretty straightforward. This one is just going to make the post available to the other brand, and then they make their own decision of when and where to post it, and they can change some of the metadata about the post. The other option would immediately post it to both pages with the same metadata for both posts. And by metadata here, I mean things like the title and everything. So I'll show you both. We'll start with this one, the option to cross-post. And I'll create that post. And then I'll get my Solo streaming. Once we come back here, make sure everything's set up. So now we'll go live. We'll see the bandwidth start to tick up. So now, over here on Facebook, I'm live now on my page that I actually made the post to. Meanwhile, over here on the page that I was cross-posting to, I see I have one notification. I happen to be an admin on both pages just to give you this demo, but again, I wouldn't have to be. I could be, at this point, somebody else coming in to manage this. And now I look at my notifications, and I see that they're live now, and this is a post I could potentially choose to cross-post if I wanted to. So then if I click on that, it's going to take me over here to Publishing Tools. I see this, videos you can cross-post, and the action is to create a post from this video. So here I can change, it picks up the metadata that I had filled in when I first made the post, but as this other brand, I could customize it, and I could choose to even, go live in a little bit, 10 minutes later, or an hour later, or something like that, or go live right now. So that's the first level of permission where we just make that video available for cross-posting. I'll stop here. Let's kind of reset where we are over here as well. Let's go back to my first test page. Now let's do another one. I will again go live, and now we'll come back over here to post control, but we'll pick the second permission. That's inclusive of the first permission, obviously, and this is going to just, as you would sort of expect, directly make that same post on both pages. So we submit that. New Facebook post. Let it program our unit. See that we got the new title, and we can get that unit streaming. We'll let that bandwidth climb for 1 second. And then we'll come over here. So now this is, again, my first page. I'm live right now. And then the page I cross-posted to, a little different this time, without having to have gone to my notifications or my publishing tools. I'm live right now. It looks like it came from that page. Tech Corner is live right now, not LiveU Inc. is live right now, but it picked up all the metadata that I had originally included in the post. So the post title, if I had done tags, anything like that, then all that metadata would already be here. So that's the new cross-posting feature.